Welcome to Wadi Shab. Wadi Shab in Oman is a beautiful turquoise river that flows through a huge canyon. It is definitely one of Oman's most popular attractions, and in this video I will tell you everything you need to know about visiting this gorgeous spot. Wadi Shab is about a 1.5 hour drive from Muscat and a 45-minute drive from Sur. The wadi is easy to visit from both places. Because there is hardly any public transportation in Oman, it is best to reach the wadi by car. Do you have a rental car? Then it's very easy to get there by yourself. Wadi Shab is listed on Google Maps and the roads to it are very good. Don't you have a rental car? Then you can opt for a cab or an organized day trip. Near the wadi you will find a parking lot under a large bridge where you can park your car for free. There are some cheeky goats running around, so be careful with your food and don't leave your car doors open too long. The river Wadi Shab runs between the parking lot and the starting point of the hike. Therefore, you first need to make the crossing by a small boat. This boat ride only takes a few minutes and costs 1 OMR per person. Please note that this must be paid in cash, so bring this with you. The boats operate between 8 AM and 5 PM. Are you late in the afternoon? Then ask one of the guys when the last boat returns so you can get back to your car. The hike through the canyon is definitely amazing, but the ultimate goal is to take a dip in the natural pools. The hike to these pools takes about 1.5 hours. The path consists mainly of rocks but are reasonably passable. Here and there you have to climb a bit over some larger rocks, but in general it's quite doable. Make sure you wear good shoes though, because some parts are very slippery. The environment of the first part of the hike is still partly inhabited and you will pass some fields where men are working, but soon you walk into a beautiful, peaceful and quiet canyon along the river, which is super turquoise in color by the way. I can totally imagine when seeing this water all you want to do is just jump in, but you cannot swim here. This can only be done in the natural pools at the end of the hike. Towards the end of the trail you have to climb over some larger rocks here and there. You will also find a constructed waterfall which is perfect for cooling off a bit. Just follow the irrigation channels and you will eventually end up at the first swimming area. Woohoo! You will reach the first pool, which is indicated by a large black sign, after about 1.5 hours of hiking. Put down your belongings and then, finally, it's time to jump in and enjoy the refreshing water. From here you can easily swim to the second and third pool as well as to the cave. Do you have a waterproof bag with you? Then you can also take your belongings with you. The first pool is the shallowest and the water is lovely in temperature. This makes it a perfect pool for relaxing and swimming with small children. The second and third pools are a lot deeper and allowing real daredevils to jump into the water from the rocks. Through narrow streams and currents you walk and swim from pool to pool. Water shoes are no luxury here because there are many small pebbles on the bottom and because the rocks are very slippery. At the end of the third natural pool you will find a cave where a waterfall flows into, which is very cool. To enter the cave you need to swim through a narrow corridor. This may seem a bit scary at first because the corridor is quite narrow. Your head only just fits in between. Fortunately, this only applies to the part above the water. Underwater you have enough space to move around and to enter the cave. Keep in mind that there is nowhere to sit in the cave, so you have to be a pretty good swimmer. However, there are some sections you can hold on to, so you can rest a bit from time to time. Then, the dress code. When swimming in public areas such as Wadi Shab, it is wise for women to cover their shoulders and wear something up to the knee. Since Wadi Shab attracts mostly tourists, these rules are handled a little bit more loosely here. You could wear a bathing suit and a pair of shorts. If you want to follow the rules strictly, you can wear a surf shirt over your bathing suit. So that's it for my Wadi Shab video. I hope you guys liked it and found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. I want to thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you for my next one. Bye!